Hi, it's Mark, the Family Woodworker. This week we designed a unique entryway table with a figured maple top that looks like the stripes on the back of a tiger. This whole project was inspired by a table I saw in St. Paul, Minnesota at a woodworking expo held in late May. I had even written down the name of the artist who made a triangular table there, but I wound up losing it. Woodworkers often get inspired by other woodworkers, and credit does need to be given for the idea. If you're seeing the video and you happen to be the maker, drop me a comment so I can pin it and give you credit for the inspiration. The leg and top design are my own, of course, but the idea didn't come to me in a vacuum. Let's just dive into this cool little table project. With the fabrication of the legs done, except for figuring out how I would glue and clamp them together, it was time to move on to the tabletop and see what amazing wood grain waits for us under that rough sawn surface. This was the part of the project that I worried about the most, namely how exactly would I glue and assemble 3 triangular positioned legs and still have them all sit level and straight on the floor. Rubber bands were my first thought, though not great as a clamping option. But after gluing the 60-degree corners together, I played around with the positioning of the legs until the tabletop sat level. Then I added some more bungee cord around the whole thing to add some more pressure, and it tended to work out. Off camera, after the glue dried, I also added some epoxy inside the top and bottom joint to add some more insurance to the assembly. While I chose to use some semi-gloss lacquer to finish the table, I normally don't like a super shiny finish on wood. In this case, however, it really helps the stripy pattern in this hard maple jump out at you. The pattern changes its shimmer with the viewing angle, which makes it come alive, and is another reason why this particular variety of wood is so expensive. The table actually works really great in a hallway or entryway as an artistic display piece, or even a handy place to drop your keys or the afternoon mail. This piece is being donated to a local charity for an upcoming fundraiser, and I have a couple of other projects in the works for the same event. It's always good to give a little something back to the community. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into our little channel. Pretty please leave us a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe to our channel, and drop us a comment too. All of that really does help us grow on YouTube.